Unlock 1 has started. Lockdown is gradually being eased and seized off. What is happening right now is that though the number of virus cases is increasing every day, more and more people are moving around in the streets. So we are more at risk. Unlock 1 is more about opening economic activity. It does not mean that the virus has gone away. On the contrary, the virus is very much here and is spreading faster than ever at the present moment while I am talking to you. Till a good vaccine is not available, we will continue to catch infection from others, so we need to be careful. So in Unlock 1, the first and foremost thing is go out only if necessary. Please do not go out for pleasure, go out for work or for buying essentials or groceries only when required. As far as possible, stay at home, work from home and order online. In case you have to go out, there are certain things that you have to keep in mind, and these are very, very important for you. Number 1, physical distancing. Physical distancing is important because the virus travels through droplet and through cough, and it is about 2 meters, that is the maximum limit through which a person can infect the other. So if you stay 2 meters or more away from the other person, your chances of catching an infection is less. So physical distancing is important. Number 2, frequent hand washing. This is a virus that is enveloped in some lipid. Lipid is fat. Fat dissolves with detergent. So when you wash your hands with soap and water, the lipid layer of the virus is washed away and the virus gradually dies. So washing your hands frequently with soap and water, particularly when you come out from outside, is important. The third aspect is to use hand sanitizers. Hand sanitizers, which contain minimum of 70% alcohol, are important for you to use because again they destroy the virus. So when you are out of the house, you are doing some shopping, you're at a grocery store, you may have touched some infected person or an infected surface. At that moment you must hand sanitize. The fourth thing to use are face masks. Face masks are of various types. The simplest one is a cloth mask that you can make at home, which is usually double or triple layered. These masks must be worn at all times when you're outside. A more effective mask than a face mask of cloth is a 3-ply mask. A 3-ply mask, as the name suggests, has 3 layers, but this is not reusable. As soon as you finish 5 to 6 hours of use, you must throw it away and never use it again. The fifth thing that you can use, and which is important for you, is a face shield. A face shield prevents droplet infections from coming onto your face and nose, and then prevents your nose and face from catching an infection from an infected person. The advantage of a face shield is it covers your entire face up to your chin, and the second advantage is that it is washable either with soap and water, or you can wash it with simple alcohol or clean it with alcohol. The sixth thing that you need to use is gloves. When you go out, please wear a pair of disposable gloves and discard them when you come back home. Keep them in a dustbin so that they are never used again. When we follow these precautions, we are safer. We are safer for ourselves and we are safer for our family members. It is important for us to do that.